In this question, you have to identify the correct definition of niche. Option A, all the biological factors in the organism's environment. It is incorrect because these refers to the biotic components of an ecosystem and not the niche. Option B, the physical space where an organism lives. This is also incorrect because this refers to the habitat of an organism, which is a part of its niche, but it does not define it fully. Option C, the functional role played by the organism where it lives. Now, a niche is indeed the functional role and position of an organism in its environment, including its interaction with abiotic and biotic factors. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, the range of temperature that the organism needs to live. It is also incorrect because this describes a specific abiotic factor but does not encompass the broader concept of niche.